How are the planets in the solar system arranged? The planets in our solar system are arranged around the Sun, which is the central star. The solar system consists of the Sun and 8 planets orbiting in nearly circular elliptical paths. There are 2 main groups of planets: the inner rocky planets, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and the outer gas giants, including Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union due to ongoing debates about its classification. Recently, astronomers have been searching for evidence of a true 9th planet, potentially large and much farther out in the solar system, which could explain some observed gravitational effects on other celestial bodies. The Sun itself sustains life on Earth through nuclear reactions that generate immense heat and light, influencing the entire solar system's dynamics. Order of planets in the solar system. The solar system has 8 planets. The order of the planets in the solar system, starting closest to the Sun and working outward, is as follows: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then the 9th planet. Specifically, these planets take the Sun as the center and are ranked in the following order. Mercury. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. Key facts: known to ancient Greeks and visible to the naked eye, named after the messenger of the Roman gods, diameter 4,878 kilometers, 3,031 miles, just slightly larger than Earth's moon. Orbit 88 Earth days. Due to its proximity to the Sun, about 2/5 the distance between Earth and the Sun, Mercury experiences extreme temperature variations between its day and night sides. Daytime temperatures soar to about 450 degrees Celsius, 840 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead, while nighttime temperatures plummet to as low as -180 degrees Celsius, -290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury possesses a very thin atmosphere composed of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. This atmosphere is unable to shield the planet from incoming meteoroids, resulting in a surface riddled with numerous impact craters, akin to the Moon's surface. NASA's Messenger spacecraft, during its 4-year mission, made significant discoveries that challenged previous astronomical assumptions. These findings included the presence of water ice and frozen organic compounds at Mercury's North Pole, suggesting past volcanic activity that shaped its terrain. Venus. Discover, known to the ancient Greeks and visible to the naked eye, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Diameter 7,521 miles, 12,104 kilometers. Orbit 225 Earth days. Venus, the 2nd planet from the Sun, shares Earth's size but differs drastically in other aspects. Radar images beneath its atmosphere reveal a terrain marked by numerous mountains and volcanoes. However, Venus starkly contrasts with Earth due to its dense, toxic atmosphere consisting of sulfuric acid clouds, exemplifying the greenhouse effect. Surface temperatures soar to an average of 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 465 degrees Celsius, with a surface pressure of 92 bar, enough to crush and instantly kill a human. A peculiar trait of Venus is its retrograde rotation, spinning slowly from east to west, opposite to the majority of other planets. In Earth, the 3rd planet from the Sun, is renowned as the only celestial body known to support life. Encompassing approximately 2/3 of its surface area, oceans dominate Earth's geography. Its life-sustaining atmosphere is rich in nitrogen and oxygen, crucial for supporting diverse forms of life. Rotating at a speed of 467 meters per second, over 1,600 kilometers per hour. At the equator, Earth completes one rotation on its axis every 23 hours and 56 minutes. Orbiting the Sun in approximately 365.24 days, Earth's year is defined by this orbital period. The name Earth is derived from die Erde, the German word for ground, reflecting its fundamental role as the foundation of life on our planet. Discover. Diameter, 7,126 miles, 12,760 kilometers. Orbit, 365.24 days. The fourth planet in the solar system, Mars, presents a cold, dusty, desert-like landscape characterized by its red hue, derived from iron oxides in its soil. Despite its barren appearance, Mars shares similarities with Earth, featuring rocky terrain, mountains, valleys, and canyons, as well as dynamic weather patterns ranging from localized dust devils to intense dust storms that can envelop the entire planet. Scientific evidence strongly suggests that billions of years ago, Mars was a warmer and wetter world with flowing rivers and possibly even oceans. Although its atmosphere today is too thin to sustain liquid water on the surface, remnants of Mars' watery past persist. Massive water ice sheets, comparable in size to California, lie beneath the planet's surface, while polar ice caps contain frozen water. In a significant discovery in July 2018, scientists announced evidence of a persistent liquid lake beneath the South Polar ice cap, marking a groundbreaking finding of potential water reservoirs on Mars. Researchers hypothesize that ancient Mars may have harbored conditions suitable for life, potentially supporting microbial organisms. These tantalizing possibilities of past or present life on Mars have spurred numerous space exploration missions, making Mars one of the most extensively studied planets in the solar system. Discover, known to the ancient Greeks and visible to the naked eye, named for the Roman god of war. Diameter 4,217 miles, 6,787 kilometers. Orbit 687 Earth days. The fifth planet in the solar system, Jupiter, is a colossal gas giant, holding the title of the largest planet in our solar system. It boasts a mass twice that of all other planets combined. Jupiter's defining feature is its vibrant atmosphere, adorned with swirling clouds of varying colors caused by different trace gases. Of particular interest is the Great Red Spot, a massive storm raging at speeds of 400 miles per hour for over 150 years. This storm is so immense that it is observable from Earth through telescopes. Jupiter spans a diameter of up to 139,822 kilometers and orbits the Sun every 11.9 Earth years. Discover. Known to the ancient Greeks and visible to the naked eye, named for the ruler of the Roman gods, the sixth planet in the solar system, Saturn. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is renowned for its majestic rings. When polymath Galileo Galilei first observed Saturn in the early 1600s, he mistook its rings for separate objects, two large moons flanking a planet. Perplexed by this, he sketched a small drawing of what he saw, a symbol that resembled a large circle with two smaller circles. It wasn't until over 40 years later, when Christian Huygens proposed that Saturn was encircled by rings made of ice and rock. To this day, scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of how these rings formed. Saturn, a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, also boasts numerous moons. Discover, known to the ancient Greeks and visible to the naked eye, named for the Roman god of agriculture, diameter 74,900 miles, 120,500 km, orbit 29.5 Earth years. The seventh planet in the solar system, Uranus, is an enigmatic sphere in our solar system. Its atmosphere is composed of hydrogen sulfide, the same compound responsible for the foul odor of rotten eggs. Unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its axis from east to west, similar to Venus. However, what truly sets Uranus apart is its extreme axial tilt, nearly perpendicular to its orbit around the Sun. This unique tilt is believed to have been caused by a colossal impact with an object approximately twice the size of Earth around 4 billion years ago. As a result, Uranus experiences seasons that last more than 2 decades, with each pole enduring sunlight for 84 Earth years at a time. This cataclysmic collision is also thought to have flung rocks and ice into orbit around Uranus, forming its system of 27 moons. The presence of methane in its atmosphere lends Uranus its distinctive blue-green hue, while it also boasts 13 sets of frosty rings. Discovered in 1781 by William Herschel, initially mistaken for a star, named for the personification of the heavens in ancient mythology, diameter 31,763 miles, 51,620 km, orbit 84 Earth years, the 8th planet in the solar system, Neptune, is roughly the size of Uranus and is renowned for its fierce supersonic winds. Cold and distant, Neptune orbits the Sun at a distance 30 times greater than that of Earth. Its existence was deduced through mathematical predictions before being visually discovered. Observations of irregularities in Uranus's orbit led French astronomer Alexis Bouvard to hypothesize the existence of another gravitational influence, which ultimately led to the discovery of Neptune by German astronomer Johann Galle. Neptune, 17 times more massive than Earth, harbors a rocky core beneath its turbulent atmosphere. Discovered in 1846, named for the Roman god of the sea, diameter 30,175 miles, 49,530 kilometers, orbit 165 Earth years. Pluto, once regarded as the 9th planet from the Sun, has since been reclassified as a dwarf planet. Differing from the other planets in several ways, Pluto is smaller than Earth's moon and follows a highly elliptical orbit that crosses inside Neptune's orbit at times and extends beyond it at others. Moreover, Pluto's orbital plane is tilted significantly compared to the rest of the planets, at an angle of 17.1 degrees above or below the ecliptic. From 1979 to early 1999, Pluto actually orbited inside Neptune's orbit, but it crossed paths with Neptune on February 11, 1999, repositioning itself as the farthest planet in the solar system once more, until its reclassification. It is a frigid world with a thin atmosphere composed mainly of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Initially thought to be an icy rock on the outskirts of the solar system, Pluto surprised scientists with its dynamic features when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft conducted a historic flyby on July 14, 2015. New Horizons revealed Pluto as an active ice world adorned with glaciers, icebergs, and possibly cryovolcanoes that eject icy lava made of water, methane, or ammonia. Discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, named for the Roman god of the underworld, Hades, diameter 430 miles, 2,301 kilometers, orbit 248 Earth years. In 2016, astronomers proposed the existence of a 9th planet dubbed Planet 9 or Planet X, located at the fringes of the solar system. Estimated to be approximately 10 times the mass of Earth, this hypothetical planet orbits the Sun between 300 to 1,000 times farther than Earth does. Despite not directly observing Planet 9, scientists infer its presence through gravitational interactions with other objects in the Kuiper Belt. This region, populated with icy remnants from the early solar system, includes trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs, with highly elliptical orbits that are aligned in a particular direction hinting at the gravitational influence of a large, unseen planet. The content above introduces planets and objects within the solar system, describing the characteristics and differences of each planet, from the nearest planet to the Sun, like Mercury, to giant planets like Jupiter, and terrestrial planets like Earth, as well as objects like Pluto and the hypothetical ninth planet. It also highlights recent scientific discoveries and speculations about the existence of the ninth planet in the solar system. Overall, this content is educational and exploratory, helping readers understand the diversity and mysteries of planets and objects in the space we inhabit. That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.